Pumpkin pie recipe.
Ingredients: you need 1 pastry base and 800 grams of pumpkin,
2 eggs and 2 egg yolks.
20 centiliters of cooking cream and 150 grams of sugar, a pinch of vanilla sugar and a pinch of nutmeg,
And a pinch of salt. Utensil. You need a furnace and a blender.
a spoon and a pie mold.
And a fork.
Step 1. Cook your pumpkin with vapor during 15 minutes.
Step 2. When it's cooked, blend your pumpkin to make a puree.
Step 3. Then mix the cooking cream, the eggs, the sugar, the pinch of salt and the pinch of nutmeg. Warning, the nutmeg is very spicy.
Step 4. Mix until the mixing becomes liquid.
Step 5. Unroll your pastry base in a little pie mold. Make little holes with your fork.
Step 6. Pour the mixing into the pie mold.
Step 7. Bake during 35 minutes according to the power of your furnace. Step 8. Test the pie, but it is better when it's cold. Enjoy!